As an 8-year-old, I would spend summer days hanging up in the loft of this granary. Those old granaries had wood slats, and so you get dust that kicked up from a corn pile, and the light would illuminate it. And my imagination came alive in that place. I'm Angie Boersma, and I'm the founder and principal architect at ID8 Architecture. ID8 Architecture focuses pretty heavily on things like housing, hospitality, and historic preservation, with a good measure of business corporate architecture as well as municipal architecture. Driving down the street and trying to pick out an ID8 Architecture building, you probably wouldn't know it is one. When we do our job well, the historic buildings that we work on look and feel like they've always been there. And brand new neighborhoods that we're helping to design and develop look and feel like they've always been there. It's not about our ego or about our aesthetic. It's about how do we solve the problem for the community. I've been at Brookings since 2002. This is the place that gave me the chance to start my dreams. There are so many people here who have shaped my own personal story, the story of our business, and our ability to continue to grow and invest here. Our mission is to serve rural communities. When a school board member asks us to help with their school feasibility study, their small business idea, their building, that we can help facilitate that through architecture and problem solving as much as we can. Architecture is both art and science. We are both technically inclined and artists. At a basic level, ID8 provides problem solving and ideas for clients. We happen to solve problems through architecture.